Are you feeling the pressure? No, we're not talking about stress or deadlines. We're talking about high blood pressure, a silent but serious health condition that affects millions of people worldwide. If you've recently been diagnosed with high blood pressure, don't fret. With the right diet plan and lifestyle changes, you can take control of your blood pressure and pave the way for a healthier future. In this blog post, we'll explore the power of balanced diet plans in managing high blood pressure and introduce you to a proven approach that could make all the difference: the DASH diet. So get ready to lower your numbers and raise your well-being as we dive into the world of dietary strategies for managing high blood pressure. What is high blood pressure? High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a common medical condition that occurs when the force of blood against the walls of your arteries is consistently too high. It's often referred to as a silent killer, because it typically has no symptoms but can lead to serious health complications if left uncontrolled. Blood pressure readings consist of two numbers: systolic and diastolic. The systolic number represents the pressure in your arteries when your heart beats, while the diastolic number indicates the pressure between beats when your heart rests. A normal blood pressure reading is around 120/80ths of a millimeters of mercury, or lower. When you have high blood pressure, it means that either one or both of these numbers are elevated above healthy levels. This puts extra strain on your cardiovascular system and increases your risk for conditions such as heart disease, stroke, kidney problems, and even vision loss. Several factors can contribute to high blood pressure, including genetics, age, obesity, lack of physical activity, excessive salt intake, and chronic conditions like diabetes or kidney disease. While some risk factors are beyond our control, others can be managed through lifestyle changes, particularly diet modifications. By adopting a balanced diet plan specifically tailored for managing high blood pressure, you can take proactive steps towards improving your overall health and well-being. So let's dive into what components make up an effective dietary approach for hypertension management. The effects of diet on blood pressure. Diet plays a crucial role in the management of high blood pressure. The foods and beverages we consume can have both positive and negative effects on our blood pressure levels. One major factor that influences blood pressure is sodium intake. Consuming too much salt can cause water retention, leading to increased blood volume and higher blood pressure. It's important to limit your consumption of processed foods, which are often loaded with hidden sodium. Another key component of a blood pressure-friendly diet is potassium-rich foods. Potassium helps counteract the effects of sodium, promoting healthy fluid balance in the body. Fruits like bananas, oranges, and avocados are excellent sources of potassium. In addition to watching your sodium and potassium intake, maintaining a balanced diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, like chicken or fish, fruits, vegetables, and low-fat dairy products can also help lower your blood pressure. It's worth noting that certain dietary patterns have been specifically designed for managing high blood pressure. One such plan is the DASH, Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension diet, which emphasizes whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy while limiting saturated fats. By adopting a balanced diet tailored towards managing high blood pressure alongside other lifestyle modifications like regular exercise and stress management techniques, you can take control over your health. So start making small changes today for long-term benefits tomorrow. Components of a balanced diet for managing high blood pressure. When it comes to managing high blood pressure, a balanced diet plays a crucial role. By incorporating the right components into your meals, you can help keep your blood pressure in check and improve your overall health. It's important to include plenty of fruits and vegetables in your diet. These nutrient-rich foods are low in sodium and high in potassium, which can help lower blood pressure levels. Aim for at least 5 servings per day and choose a variety of colors to ensure you're getting a wide range of vitamins and minerals. In addition to fruits and vegetables, whole grains should also have a place on your plate. Opt for options like brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread, and oats. These complex carbohydrates provide fiber that helps regulate blood sugar levels and maintain healthy blood pressure. Lean proteins such as skinless poultry, fish, beans, legumes, tofu, or nuts should be included in each meal as well. These protein sources are low in saturated fat compared to red meat or processed meats but still offer essential nutrients needed for maintaining optimal health. The DASH diet, a proven plan for lowering blood pressure. The DASH, Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension, diet has gained recognition as an effective plan for lowering blood pressure. This diet emphasizes consuming fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy products. By following the DASH diet, individuals can reduce their sodium intake while increasing potassium levels in their bodies. One of the key aspects of the DASH diet is focusing on portion sizes and moderation. It encourages individuals to be mindful of what they eat and how much they consume. By incorporating more fruits and vegetables into meals, people can add essential nutrients while keeping calories in check. In addition to its benefits for managing high blood pressure, the DASH diet also promotes overall heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and enhancing weight management. This makes it a well-rounded eating plan that not only targets hypertension but also contributes to overall well-being. It's important to note that adopting any dietary changes should be done under the guidance of a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. They can tailor the DASH diet specifically to your needs and provide ongoing support throughout your journey towards better heart health. By incorporating principles of the DASH diet into your daily routine, you can take control of your blood pressure levels naturally while enjoying a balanced and nutritious eating plan. Tips for creating and maintaining a balanced diet plan. Managing high blood pressure requires long-term commitment to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Alongside regular exercise, medication, if prescribed, and stress management techniques, following a balanced diet is crucial. Here are some tips to help you create and maintain a balanced diet plan for managing high blood pressure. 1. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Incorporate a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your daily meals. They are rich in nutrients, vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants that promote heart health. 2. Choose whole grains. Opt for whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, oats, whole wheat bread or pasta instead of refined grains like white rice or white flour products. Whole grains provide more fiber which helps lower blood pressure. 3. Limit sodium intake. Reduce the amount of salt in your diet by avoiding processed foods that are high in sodium content. Instead, season your food with herbs and spices to add flavor without adding extra salt. 4. Include lean proteins. Select lean sources of protein such as skinless poultry, fish like salmon or trout rich in omega-3 fatty acids, legumes like beans or lentils along with low-fat dairy products like yogurt or skim milk. 5. Be mindful of fats. Aim for healthy fats found in sources like avocados, nuts, almonds, walnuts, seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, and olive oil while limiting saturated fats found primarily in animal-based products like red meat and full-fat dairy items.